Okay, we're gonna make a new object. We're gonna call this Deduce Bigelow. It's such a stupid name, but it's pretty funny.
Wait, what'd you do? What's the name?
I called it Deduce Bigelow.
Good. Okay. It's great. Yeah. Oh. Sorry. I got an ad, so I can't see what's going on. Advertisements.
I don't have anybody in any animations or anything in that yet, but I do. Where'd my Discord go? Oh, I shrunk it. That's why. Hey, Zek is hanging out in the wrong place. I suppose Zek is cool, so he gets to just hang out in the dev meeting chat. But if you want to be able to see what's going on, Zek, I'm live on Twitch right now with this. Unless you're listening here and watching on Twitch.
Which would be weird, because it'd be all off, sound-wise.
Right, you'd be experiencing
what I'm experiencing.
What Nate's experiencing.
Which is madness.
So you didn't drop a sprite sheet yet, did you?
Yeah, I just sent it to you directly. I think maybe
Oh.
I sent it to somebody else. No, I just didn't hit enter.
Oh. You sent it to nobody. Now say nuclear vessels. No.
He does eventually say it, right?
No.
Or no, it's just Fry says it.
Mm-hmm. Save image as.
Yeah, Unity is something you have to download. Well, I guess you don't have to download it, but it would take a really long time to write the program yourself, probably. Or I guess if you had it on a disc, but who uses physical media anymore? Am I right?
Stream crash? No, stream didn't crash. This isn't Elden Ring. No, it's not Elden Ring. Believe it or not.
I know, right, Curry and Rice? It's tough because, like, I was playing that right before I hopped on to, try to fix the skid animation, which, we've successfully done.
We did what we set out to do. Character or characters. Probably. We need a new folder. NPCs. I'm so glad that we did what we did. Import new asset. And like Chrissy and I a long time ago went through and just organized everything. It's so good now because we're not accidentally creating tons and tons of new files and stuff. Although I just realized that Porky People are not in the NPC folder, but we should probably definitely have.
Actually, just going to mention that exact thing.
You're like, you went and organized, huh? Well, it doesn't look like it to me.
Well, I mean, no, it looks. I mean, certainly more organized than I would have set it up. Not that. I mean, that's not a criticism. That's a praise of the nice organization. I like it. But yes, it's not how I would have done it. Which is to say, I would have done it worse.
All right, sprite editor, 32 pixels per unit, multiple sprite editor. We want to have a point no filter, max size 2048, and sprite editor. Unapplied import settings, apply and continue sprite editor. Okay, apply first. Now the sprite editor. Editing is disabled during play mode. Okay, good to know. Let's get out of play mode. All right, slice. We want by cell size. Is it 30? Is it 64? Yep. Ooh, that doesn't look quite right. Oh no, it is. For a second I thought that wheel was going beneath the lines, but no, it did not. Oh, could you do me a really, really big favor though with this? Could you remake
Put a
this?
space between the different animation states.
I mean, if we want to do that, the big thing is we have to have stuff in here or it won't slice. It won't count it. So we need at least a pixel of color in these other spots. So you can just draw a line through them so it counts them.
We just... Well, before we would use like a basic back color and then transparency out that, which...
Right. Well, I think we draw a red line or whatever through.
Oh yeah, for all the empty ones. So technically there aren't any empty frames. It's just
right, because Unity erases the empty frames, and then if we put stuff in those empty frames in the future, it gets all confused, and then it like displaces the other ones where they were supposed to be and stuff. So this, at least gives it.
That'll be okay for this one, because beyond the idle state, this particular character has an alerted state, an alerted idle, a walk, and then
because it's like an enemy.
I'm also gonna have like an attack animation on this one, but in sum total it's got 41 frames, which I think will be sufficient for a character that doesn't move.
Yeah, good point. I'll just use the first. How many frames do we want to give?
Oh yeah, the
guy
idle animation is the first 12 frames of this.
Perfect. Okay, point filter. Apply. Let's try this again. Got ahead of myself. All right, now we have multiple different things. Oh my gosh. All right, Deduce Bigelow. He has... I think we create... Oh, man. Forget how to do this. Animations. We have all these. Enemies.
Yeah, and when you slice it, I don't believe I put any padding in there.
You didn't. It's perfect. Just like it is.
Cool. Good.
Hey, Zach, you're in the ArkAngler chat too. Nice. Okay. Enemies. Do I want to be importing this as an enemy or an NPC? We said that this is taking the place of the NPC.
What?
Yeah, we're going to call this Deduce B. I'm putting in a placeholder for Deduce Bigelow. All right, we want to create an animation out of this guy. All right, there he is. Okay, he's just sitting there now. Now, how do we... Oh! To begin animating Geezer, create an animator and an animation clip. Create. Art characters NPC. Deduce. B. All right. There's the animation, and we could just pull in one. Yes, perfect. 2, 3. How many frames do we want in between each frame of animation?
Oh, probably quite a few, because he should be moving pretty slowly. I would say, let's put... We want a cycle to probably take a full second. Hold on, let me look at this real quick.
0 to 11 gives us 12.
Yeah, I'd say every, because we got it running at 60 frames right now, right?
I think so, yeah.
So yeah, put it at every like 12 frames.
Well, dang. That looks pretty good to me. I mean, he's animating.
Yeah.
And your frames are actually going to make sense to go together. He kind of does a little thing.
He looks great. The stream just caught up so I can actually see him in there. No, yeah, that's perfect.
Although
Oh, that guy looks awesome.
he's got that weird color thing happening, though. Remember when we used to run into that?
Yeah.
It's not hard to fix. Thank goodness. Deduce B, I think it was a compression, none.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude, yeah, he looks so good!
Now, if you play it, is he still talking?
Oh, no, this is a completely different scene. So
Oh, gotcha.
I figured...
But it should be easy enough to just
right,
title
it'll be...
him. Yeah. That'll sock it in nice.
Look at that guy being all animated. So how much of this stuff do you have to create outside of Unity? Like character designs and stuff? Is it all in Unity? No, the character designs are all Nate's original creations, and they are fantastic.
Aw, thanks, man.
Dude, they're so good.
And
that alone is going to sell this game, man.
I use a program called Asprite to do my sprite stuff. ASEPRITE. It's, I mean, I think it's like $10 or something. Super worth it. Best like pixel program I've ever used.
Now, can you use that? That's only Mac, right?
No,
Or
that's
is it-
Mac and PC.
Okay, sweet. I'll have to get it now.
Yep.
Now that I've switched over to PC, you guys check out this artwork, okay?
And the second best pixel art is MS Paint. Classic, not that newer version. That one sucks.
Is there a way to zoom in on Discord?
Oh yeah, can show them the things I drawed.
Dude, the things that you drawed are amazing. Oh, there's so much, Nate. We have to finish this game simply because...
Yes.
There's data. Okay, this. Dude, let's go down memory
Man.
lane for a second here.
Yeah, you going up to the very top?
All right.
There's that.
There's Sign.
Looks so
She
good.
is becoming a really cool character. I'm so excited about that. Look at that. Oh, so good.
Oh yeah, I actually finished that picture eventually.
Hey, we can do that now.
Do what?
This.
Oh, just like look at pictures?
Oh, sorry. No, we can skid. Like this is an animation you made,
Oh,
but now we can
yeah,
actually
yeah.
skid in the game.
I made that ages ago. But yes, it's finally in the game. It feels good. Feels real good.
Yeah. Oh. I'm wondering if his... I feel like this is the first time I'm noticing his little cable doing that correctly. I'm starting to wonder.
Yeah, because the actual skid animation is 2 frames, and I think we just didn't use both of them to simplify it as much as possible to get it working.
Oh my gosh,
But
then I need to go back and fix it. It's
All
so
right.
easy to fix. It's so easy to... You were totally right. You were totally right that wasn't going to be the last commit that said, okay, now it works.
I knew it.
All right, we saved this. Let's go back to GitHub. Here it is. Discard that change. Commit. Added in placeholder animation for Deduce B. That's his code name. That's not his real name. Okay, that can be... I might as well not publish that. Let's just wait. Because I can just grab it whenever. Okay, let's take this, though. All right. Okay, let's go back to our scene. Assets. Art. Scenes. 217. No. That scene doesn't exist anyway in this. Oh. What? I thought I... Thanks, John Plays. I am slightly nervous that we lost our progress. How did we lose our progress on this? I saved, I committed, and then I said, okay, now it works.
Yeah, I don't know. Demons?
Okay, let's see what this does. Demons is right. Okay, let's take out the maximize on play. Okay, this is at least back. And then we deleted this because we didn't like it. And now it should work. That's so weird. Why did it... Okay. Yay. That's working. But now we're going to just change the skid animation so it has both frames. That's all we got to do. It's easy. Art. Theta. Here it is. 1, 2. Oh, that's the same frame. Shouldn't it be this one first and then this one? Yeah. The little tail thing should be flipped back, and then we could put it out here even because there isn't... How many frames should that be apart? I suppose... That's really fast. Hey, Lisa. How are you doing?
Good.
I'm also streaming and hanging out with Nate at the same time.
Hi, Nate. And hi, stream.
I'm not sure if he heard you.
Well, then tell him.
I didn't.
Lisa's here.
I heard that part.
Oh, she said hi.
But if she's... Oh, hi, Lisa. I should have assumed that's what she said. I mean, what was she gonna say? Nate, gonna get that guy.
Nate, I'm gonna get that guy.
Just hear the name Nate, and my blood boils. Go into a fury. I won't rest until he is annihilated.
What do you say? If it's 60 frames a second, how long should it take for the thing to flip? How many frames
For what thing? To
for
flip?
his USB cable to flip from one side to the other?
Should be like probably like 6 frames. Not a lot.
Okay.
Should be pretty quick.
All right. Then we're gonna copy, paste. 6 more frames out here to 12. Okay. This should theoretically work. Why is it focusing way over here? Scale, that's why. Ooh, skid is so short. This is where I think the other thing comes in, where we need to have his skiddiness take a little bit longer. It is looking a little smoother because it's flipping.
Oh yeah, we just need to like decrease his traction or whatever.
Yeah, so that's a thing that we're going to have to adjust. But if we take his acceleration, for example, and we put it at 0.09, I feel like 0.09 is a good deceleration for him, but his acceleration should be faster. But ooh, it should not loop. How about we just make this really long? Oh, that looks really good. I would say maybe it's even a little faster than 6 frames.
Hold on, let me see this. Yeah, maybe even a little bit faster. 5 or 4. It does look a lot better with that extra frame in there.
Dude, it makes such a big difference.
Mostly because then the cord doesn't just appear on the other side of him. It actually has
Passes
some
through.
suggestion that it's swinging.
Yep.
Nice. I'm a genius.
Dude, I love that you're doing it too with animation. Like, it's not like we're using physics and you know, cheating and letting the physics do it. Like, you're actually creating this with art.
Yeah. You got to do it the old-fashioned way. If you're, I mean, we're not using polygons with skeletons over here. Got to just do it. Although I have been looking into Blender a little bit more, and some of the stuff you can do, and that is pretty.
Oh, I know.
Freaking amazing! Like, it's really cool.
Speaking of Blender, have you seen the YouTube video series called The Back Rooms? It's blown up recently.
I haven't.
Oh,
Back
dude.
Rooms.
The Back Rooms. Yes. It's amazing. I won't say anything else about it. You just gotta watch. And try to watch them in order. It's a YouTube series and it's quite awesome. Hey, Codemaster, this is Ted. Welcome. Welcome. This is a very atypical stream, but we're having fun doing this. This looks really good, and it works, and it's solid. But yeah, I want to have an ability to make it so he skids longer than he speeds up. I would say by almost twice. Because we have him accelerating at 0.2 and it feels good. And we have him at 0.1 for deceleration and it feels good. Skid animation. Ooh, so pretty. Dude, we did it. Okay, now I'm going to actually save this time. Let's make sure that our saves save. Ooh, it didn't save it at 0.09. Woo! Dude. Oh. He's just... Every time we add one of these new little animations like this, it just feels so good.
Well, what one do you want to do next week? The big one we should try to get is aiming the grapple, which I don't even have all the frames for, but we could cheese it with one frame with a rotating aiming sprite. That'd be fine for now.
Right.
Or a rotating arm, I should say, with the base frame just being... Although I do intend to make actual rotated arms for at least 12... What do you call them? Not
degrees,
because there's 12 of them.
Ashes, hey! We were talking about happy birthday, by the way, Ashes.
Happy birthday! Finally, 63 years old. How does it feel? Have we copyrighted Muffin Top Games? I don't think we have. I think we're just counting on nobody else wanting it.
All right, I pushed it. I saved it, and then I pushed it. So that should work. So I'm going to close my Unity here. I'm going to switch branches. I'm going to grab develop here. And then I'm going to go back. Just to be safe. I'm going to open up Unity. See if this works. Yeah, I mean, I don't think we need to worry about trademarking. There's pretty much like there's a record that we own this stuff, right? In Discord and all that. So you don't need to worry about it too much. If somebody started like using Theta in stuff and making a different game with him, it wouldn't be too hard to prove that we've been working on Theta for a lot longer. You know what I mean? If it even came to that. I think Theta's just so cool that people wouldn't touch him. They're just like, we can't.
Yeah, that worked out great for the likes of, Mickey Mouse and...
Yeah. Exactly. Discard the changes.
I mean, we're eventually going to have to worry about that kind of thing, but I think that's the sort of thing we worry about more once we're closer to selling the game, or at least getting... Oh man, I'm so tired. I can't think of the right words.
Getting
I was
the
going to
Kickstarter
say
going?
until we get get the Kickstarter going. I was going to say until we get a publisher. Same deal.
Okay. Scenes. Come on, scenes.
What is it going to be on? Definitely PC. Because that's what we're building it on.
It'd be
and it'll
amazing
probably
to
be
make it on a
easiest to
Nintendo.
release it for. But yes, we aspire to release it on Switch or whatever is out when we finally finish the game.
There we go.
The Switch up.
Yo,
Look at him skid. Hey, Cheese
Oh.
here.
I've just been sitting here just listening.
Dude, did you see what we accomplished?
I have not. You're not screen sharing or anything.
I'm live on Twitch right
He's
now.
up on Twitch.
Oh, you're live? Really? Oh my goodness. I didn't even know.
Hey, everybody, you're listening to the voice
Hi,
of
Twitch.
Chi Panda. Open up
Oh,
my
there it is.
Discord here.
The 8 basement just chatting for 8 viewers.
Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Go back in here. I'm gonna make Chi a little quieter.
Yo, I see Ash is in the chat.
Cheap hog. Dude, okay. Look at this, okay? We're going to maximize on play. And I want to show you.
Ooh.
Watch his skid animation.
Okay.
Oh, it's so good. And his little cable flips to the other side.
Whee! Whee! Did you get that momentum thing fixed, or
I did.
or just the animation? You did.
Oh, the doubling the momentum inertia for the
Yeah.
deceleration. That is something that we're gonna work with Bird on, because that's more of like a physics-y thing. I
So you
could
just kinda
probably
cleaned up
screw
the
around with it,
animation
but
a
I
bit.
don't wanna. Yeah, we got the animation working and we cleaned it up so it looks. We've got two frames of animation in that skid, so the cable looks nice and fluid. I whip my cable back and forth.
With my cable back and forth.
Nice. Well, you came in just in time for us to finish up. We already put it up. I got a pull request up. We're good to go on that. We got the dialogue stuff all cooking. We're cooking with gas, and then I'm meeting together with Chrissy on Thursday. Well, you guys meet to do some story stuff.
Yeah, do you want to meet a little earlier, Chi?
What?
On
What was
Thursday?
that? I'd love to, because I would like to go out Thursday night. So if we can meet
Oh, okay.
early.
Yeah, I'll probably be on, like, I don't know, whenever. It's tough because I know that as soon as I finish working, my impulse is going to be to play more Elden Ring. But,
Man, I feel like I need to get this game now, even though I can't really
Oh,
stream it.
where are you like at without spoilers? Nate?
honestly, I've, like, just wandered around so much. I'm not,
Are you-
I don't,
That is an
I don't
option.
know if-
out in the, are you still out in the overworld, sort of?
well, okay, I'm level 37,
Oh wow, I'm still in my 20s.
and,
Yeah, leave it to Nate.
I found an area that's really good for grinding. So it's in like the Bestial Sanctuary area. If you've been teleported over there yet, like to the far west.
The like the miner, where the miners are.
Miners? No.
No,
At least
okay,
I don't
I got
think it's
teleported to a different place then.
Yeah, it's called. I think it's called the Bestial Sanctuary, and there's like a guy in there that looks all bestial, and he wants your death seeds or something like that. I don't really remember, but if you go outside of his like little fort and go around there's like a giant winged guy with a spear. Don't mess with him. But if you go around past him, there are like these like smaller than normal knights. They're not like small, but they're like, they're all like 4 to 5 feet tall, I would say. Anyway, they're great. They're pretty. You generally wander around alone. They're pretty easy to like stagger. They do take a lot of hits when you're low level, but they each give you 1,000 runes.
Whoa.
Yeah, no. So I leveled up like 6 times from just wandering around and killing those guys because it was
Dang.
great.
Oh man, I have to
But,
get this
yeah,
game
you-
now.
You
Dang it,
teleport
you
over there.
guys.
I think from. No,
It's
okay.
like that. It's bringing back that feeling of just like that pure magic of just like adventure and not knowing what's around the corner.
Oh,
That's exactly what I said when I was talking about.
And like
now I'm
being
hearing
able,
it
and being
different,
able to
though.
like share information with your friends, like going, "Oh, did you find this thing? No, I haven't found that. That's so cool. I found this cool item." It's like it's just that awesome magic of just gaming that is awesome.
Yeah, man. I
like
really
Breath
wish
of
awesome
the Wild
magic
all
of
over
gaming
again.
that is awesome.
PlayStation,
Quote.
so I could-
Gee.
Yeah. No, it's a pretty dang good. It is really hard though, Ted. Just so you know.
I
Yeah.
I suppose I could probably deal with it. Hey, thank you so much for the follow, Mr. Skyu.
Yeah, but that's where the community is like really like something that's valuable.
No,
because-
and extra
'cause
fun.
it's so
Like,
hard.
all
You
the-
do want
night,
advice
Codemaster.
from others and stuff like that. So
No,
Well,
yeah,
hey, Chi and Nate, I'm actually going to wrap up the stream, but we can hang out
Alright.
for just a second here if you want to still
Yeah.
hang out for a little bit. I'm just going to mute out Discord and say goodbye to the stream viewers here.
Yeah,
sure.
thanks, stream viewers. You were excellent to hang out with.
Yeah, absolutely. It was kind of fun. It was kind of fun to have
miss you all.
extra people watching. All right, hey, thank you for checking out for the thanks y'all for checking out the stream today, helping me make sure that the music stuff works for future music streams, and for hanging out as we did some programming. I guess it wasn't really programming as much as it was just Unity UI and animating and that kind of stuff. But one step closer to the MVP launch for ArkAngler. Let's see what we can raid, because that would be fun. Twitch.tv. DSC's live right now? Perfect. Ooh, actually, a better idea. Alright guys, we're going to do a raid here. We're going to go and raid Dad and Cat, currently playing Minecraft. Make sure to give them a follow when you drop in. And we'll see you guys next time in the basement.